So how can you restore notes on an iPhone which disappeared, right? So how can you go about this? At first, it would be ideal to know what exactly happened and how they disappeared or what exactly happened to your notes. Because there are a few things like perhaps you have deleted them, right? Which might be the situation. In which case, you can go to the folders section right there by clicking on the folders icon in the top left corner and check out the recently deleted folder, which then allows you to move it back to the regular, like recover it to the regular folder. So this is one approach. Another thing is to pay attention to the different sorting and folders because you might be, for example, browsing your local on my iPhone notes, but perhaps you are trying to remember or you are looking for a note saved on iCloud, which is a completely different place. So just make sure you get the sorting right and that you have an idea of where exactly you have your stuff, right? So this happens a lot. However, there is a next possible situation where inside of your iCloud settings of your phone, you might have the notes turned on and you can actually stop the syncing of the iPhone notes to iCloud. And if you do so, the iCloud notes will be removed from your phone and then you basically stop having access to them. So this is another method or reason why they might disappear. So in order to bring them back, either just turn it back on inside of the settings so they can get resynced again, or you can use the Safari web version of iCloud where you can log in as well and access your notes there on the web. Right, so these are your options. This is what you can do. Let me know below in the comments if there are some other things which I didn't mention and you still kind of have trouble with them. So let me know about that below in the comments. Subscribe for more and I'll catch you later in the next videos.